It just like keeps saying that it's busy, just like all my friends when I ask them to hang out. Hey guys, so right now I am literally just like squatting on this random corner of campus. Today I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of me shooting a lookbook slash fashion video because as you guys know, I don't have a cameraman or a team or anything like that because your girl's poor. So it's literally just me and this tiny camera going around campus trying to shoot these outfits and not get kicked out of locations. So I'm gonna take you guys along on this really uncomfortable journey with me. Okay, so I had to move because there was a guy in the parking lot staring at me, but I'm just gonna chill out here for a couple minutes and hope that he goes away and then go back there and get my shots. A few logistical things: I shoot everything on my Canon G7X, which is just like a normal vlogging camera. It costs around $500. I actually have a much more expensive DSLR by Nikon, but it doesn't autofocus and it's really clunky to carry around. So honestly, I just prefer shooting on this. The quality is a little bit lower, but it takes me like a fifth of the time to shoot because I don't have to focus every single shot. For most of my outfit videos, I shoot 50 frames per second just because I kind of ramble a lot in my videos, and by slowing the footage down 50%, it allows me to stretch out anything that I shot into a longer period of time. Right now we're at one of my favorite locations to shoot, which is like this medical plaza at UCLA. UCLA campus is normally pretty poppin', so I don't really like to go out and shoot when other people are around, but this plaza is always really calm. I've never seen more than like 3 people here at the same time. Where I was before was actually right by the parking lot, and there's this other building that has a really nice, like clean, industrial looking finish. I'm hoping that guy has left his car now. Let's go back and shoot some stuff.
Well, I got a woman.
So basically, I don't carry around a tripod because it makes it really obvious that I'm shooting and much more likely that I'm gonna get kicked out. So here is an example of how I set up my camera. I pretty much just put it on things. I carry my purse with me just in case I need to adjust the height by a few inches. Sometimes I'll put it on top of my purse instead. Something that I do pretty often as well, if I'm trying to get one of those like dramatic low angles, is I will put my purse on the floor and then put my camera on my purse, and this purse has a little bit of an upward angle, so it helps me get that kind of dramatic leg elongating look. Okay, so we got a couple shots so far, a couple more to go. It's always a process for me trying to find the right balance between getting a lot of footage and then having to spend like hours and hours picking through that footage and picking through all the best parts, and not having enough footage and then having to put in some like shitty shots that I don't like. Standard shots that I always try to get are at least one good full body shot, one close-up of each of the articles of clothing, so like the top and the jeans, so I can put that in the video when I talk about them. And then I do accessories, obviously, the shoes, and then I'll usually try to get a couple good ones of my face, just cause I tend not to use those too much, but it can be nice to break up the outfit stuff with a little bit of this action. I'm kind of new to the whole like proper outdoor lookbook situation, but I try for each outfit to find a background that really matches with the vibe of it. So if it's a little bit like vintagey and like old school academic, there are a bunch of brick backgrounds around that I can use, like that one over there. If it's a little more of a clean outfit like this one, I'll try to shoot against a plain background. And then if it's kind of springy or pastel, there are a bunch of plants and flowers as well in this plaza that I'll use for that type of situation.
Oh yeah, I got a woman every time. Good to me. Oh yeah, she give me
Hey guys, I just came back to the apartment, grabbed a little lunch slash breakfast slash that's called brunch, and now I'm in the second outfit of the day. Here is what it looks like. These boots are a little bit crazy, but we're gonna go for it. Let's go shoot it. Okay, so I'm trying to think what would be good with this outfit. I wish there was like a red statement wall somewhere to match with the boots. I think I'm gonna go with my good old like white wall and brick area, and there are some red flowers around there. Although I feel like this isn't really a florally outfit, it's more like a cityscape outfit. Like if I could just casually go to New York City right now and shoot this, that would be great. Okay, so I'm shooting this on my iPhone because my camera just ran out of battery, which it does pretty much all the time. After I shoot like 2 or 3 outfits, it'll die. So I'm gonna go back and charge my battery now. It takes a couple hours, but hopefully that'll mean that I can shoot the last outfit right around sunset. This one was a lot quicker than the other one. I think it probably took me like half an hour, which is pretty quick for me. I feel like once I get into my little posing groove and kind of remember all of my angles that work best, normally it goes pretty fast. And I also am just using like the same locations from a video that I did a couple weeks ago. Hopefully you guys won't get bored of these locations. I'll try to find new ones in a couple videos. So while we wait for my battery to charge, I got a cup of tea and I thought I would just sit down and chat with you guys. A lot of you guys have asked me in the comments of what I do when people pass by while I'm shooting. In the past, I've been so bad about this and so embarrassed. Pretty much as soon as I see somebody coming, I'll take down my whole setup and then I just like take out my phone and pretend to play on it. But it's really obvious because I'm really dressed up and clearly not doing anything on my phone. Like my purse is perched on a ledge somewhere weird. Most of them saw me posing for a hot second before I took everything down, so I feel like it's just more embarrassing all around. Today I've actually surprised myself. I've been a lot more chill about it. Most of the people up on that medical plaza are like adults anyway, so they're not my peers. They're not gonna make fun of me. As long as people aren't in my immediate vicinity, I've just kept shooting and people will walk by. I made like weird eye contact with one Asian family. Otherwise, most of them just look at me for like 2 seconds, then go on with their day. So that's good. It's still weird. Like I'm not completely comfortable with it yet, but hopefully I'm heading in the right direction. So yeah, for now, I'm just waiting on that battery and then I'm gonna do my final outfit, or what I think is my final outfit. I have been kind of indecisive because I have 4 pairs of jeans, so I wanted to shoot 4 outfits. The ones that I have left that oh gosh, I just spilled tea all over my pants. Okay, hey guys, so while I'm waiting for my battery to charge, I got changed into my next outfit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this necklace. I just decided to clear off my SD card and download the footage that I've taken so far. This part is always nerve-wracking because I don't know how it's gonna look. Sometimes I think it looks really good on the tiny little screen and then the lighting is like actually disgusting. So hopefully I'm not gonna have to reshoot anything because modeling is uncomfortable. Here is one of the earlier shots that I was trying out. Here's just me testing the framing. This was a shot that I had also tested out earlier. I actually really like the framing with the bench and stuff. I feel like the angle for some reason makes me look kind of short. I originally thought I was gonna throw away this shot, but I might try to keep it or incorporate it somehow. It doesn't really match like the clean white vibe that I have for the rest of the shots for that outfit, but I'm gonna try to incorporate it somehow because I do really like that shot and I wish that I had taken more outside actually now that I think about it. Also, ignore that there's a roll of toilet paper there. I don't have tissues, guys, so I just use toilet paper. Okay guys, I am onto the last outfit and I am just gonna start by shooting it here. This is our good old friend, the blank wall that's right outside my apartment building. The balcony's on that side. I've shot a lot of videos here and I try to do a better location than this normally, but I'm wearing these boots that are like 2 sizes too small for me and they're really uncomfortable. So I'm gonna try to shoot everything here. Afterwards, I might go out and about and see how far I can walk in these, if I can find a nice like city looking dark-ish location. And I'll see how far I can get before my feet want to die. Hey guys, so I just finished shooting the 3rd outfit and I didn't get any footage from it because I feel like I'm definitely trespassing, or like this seems like a public building to me, but it also seems somewhat wrong to shoot here. Ideally, I wanted to get a couple more shots, but my camera actually ran out of space on the card and I tried to go to the menu option to delete it, but my camera's being a little motherfucker right now and will not let me do that. It just like keeps saying that it's busy, just like all my friends when I ask them to hang out. But I think I got some good shots at least, so we're just gonna go with those, download it to the computer, see what we got, because my feet cannot handle this walk 2 more times. Hey guys, I'm back at my apartment complex. I suppose this brings me to the end of this video, even though this feels somewhat anticlimactic, but I hope you guys enjoyed coming along this journey with me. I hope you learned something or just enjoyed me being really awkward and uncomfortable. Yeah, these videos take a lot of work to shoot and a lot of work to edit, but I wouldn't do anything else. I'm so grateful that I have you guys to watch all this shit that I put on the internet, so thank you. Now I'm gonna go spend 8 to 10 hours editing this video, and I hope you guys like it.